Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want.
Hey y'all, hey, so today's video is a lifestyle vlog and some home updates. It is over the span of 3 days. It's going to be short and sweet. The first day here in this vlog is just me making lunch for Luke, and Logan and I have a little bit of breakfast before we get some playtime in before we start our day, and then we just move on through the vlog. It's not going to be a whole lot of talking, but I do have some home updates that I'm really excited to share with you guys because I can't believe that I did it all by myself. But anyway, let's get into it.
I know that I'm used to treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on. Chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night. All in or nothing, not gonna stop. Dance till the morning light. I just wanna
Luna has really been enjoying these counting bears that I found on Amazon. Be sure to check the description box below if you are interested, because they do help with her color recognition, her counting, as well as her motor skills, because they do come with a set of tongs, but I just don't have them here in this clip because she and Lucas like to fight over them, but they also like to play together with these as well. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now this morning.
Red. Birthday! That day. Repeat. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Yellow.
Good job, you did it! You excited?
I said it.
Hey y'all, hey, so today is a new day and it's Friday, and I figured I would show you guys Lucas's lunch for today because I was up doing some editing and I just wanted to make something different for him. So I did some chicken nuggets. He has grapes, barbecue sauce, Chip Ahoy mini cookies, and some poppables. This is his water bottle. And I also packed him a little bottle of orange juice because he loves orange juice. And yeah, this is his Friday lunch. And he also is supposed to have a snack every day in his backpack separately from his lunch, so all the kids don't go ahead and eat their lunch for their snack time. And I got these little Chex Mix cookies and cream granola bars, and he actually really enjoys these, so I'll probably go and buy a different like a different variation of the same product because he really does like them. I've been wanting to replace the light fixtures in this place ever since we moved in, and I finally found something affordable on Amazon, and I found our dining fixture that I'm going to be replacing in this video on Wayfair. I'll have everything linked in the description box if you like how everything turned out, if you are interested in swapping out any of your current light fixtures. But I shared this process over on Instagram, that's why it looks this way, but make sure you follow me over there for more motivation and inspiration as well. And this is what it looks like. I did switch the bulbs. I just want to make sure I had everything connected and that it was actually working. I do have some painting to do because the diameter was a little bit smaller than the current than the older light fixtures. But anyway, I really do like it. I have our light fixture for the dining space that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And yeah, I did have my doubts, but we'll talk a little bit about that later on.
All of those years that passed us by, all of those tears we both have cried, I really miss to seeing you smile. I blame myself, although I tried, I tried.
So this was the old light fixture that was up there. It looked like the is it Octo-Man from Spider-Man? I don't remember, but when I opened up the box, I was a little bit intimidated by the size of the diameter of this base. It was bigger than my hand. I was like, oh my God, am I gonna be able to do this? But you know what? I just dug deep and I did it. I took it all the way down by myself because Sugarfoot was at work still and the kids were home, so I had to be really careful, and I had made sure they were set up and they had snacks and something good on TV to watch. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself. This was my first project that really kind of made me nervous, but I did it, and I almost left y'all hanging, but I decided to go ahead and put in a clip of what the current light fixture looks like. It's big and beautiful. It's drama in my opinion, but I love it. Oh my God. Let me know down in the comments if you like the changes that I've made so far in this video. Hopefully my next video will be some fall decoration or some inspiration. If you like how this video turned out today, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Come back for more by subscribing and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!